How's it going, YouTube? Dan the Plastic Man here. Hope you guys are doing well. Well, since I just finished up the Tallgeese 3 review, time for another unboxing. And just to finish out the trifecta, it's the Tallgeese 2. So as most of you know, this is Trace Kushrana's mobile suit from the very end of Gundam Wing. It is obviously the Tallgeese with a very Gundam-esque face. Let me move my camera up here slowly. Now, depending on whether or not you play like Dynasty Warriors or if you've actually watched the TV show, those eyes of his will change. You can see this is more like a sensor bar almost, or like a mono eye, whereas in the show it literally is just the two specific eyes that you would see on a Gundam. But, quick box tour, this being a premium Bandai hobby shop exclusive, we've got the monochrome box art, which is still very impressive because we see the Tallgeese 2 in the typical Trace pose where it's just holding on to the Dober gun, and then you can barely make out some Leo carriers here and here, so on and so forth. Now, turning the box on its side, we have a front and rear view of the Tallgeese 2. We have a yen price, let me pull this in, 3,800, so retail is going to be $40-ish, which is respectable. But being that I live in the States, and I'm pretty sure most of my subscribers do, you're going to end up paying 80 to 90 bucks, depending on how you get your hands on this thing. But here on this side, we can just see that it says Tallgeese 2. And we've got the Oz 00 MS2. Here's the other end of the box. And with the box tour completed, in we go. Come on. Alright. First bag out of the box. We've got the typical Tallgeese A-plate multicolor. We've got clear here for the eyes and for the Leo camera. We've got our Saber 4s, just like the ones from the Tallgeese 3. Like I said, I love the fact that they're curved, but please, Bandai, give us another color. Shield bits in blue. We've got the rooster horn, I want to call it. That's first bag. Second bag, we have the small amount of foil seals. We have the water slide decals, and we have a light gray for some of the external armor, like here's the feet and here's the hands, and this is also going to be inner frame. Next bag, we've got a very bright white. I mean, wow. Let me back my camera up just a little bit more. Yeah, this is really white. This is kind of what I think should have come on the Tallgeese 3, but this is some external leg armor, and this is internal leg frame. Next bag is a very nice blue. I think this is the same blue as the Tallgeese 3. So we've got most of our external armor, such as the shoulders, the shield. We've got the torso. Here's the back skirts, side skirts. We've got the poly caps in between these two trees. Next bag, we have the internal frame for the thruster pods. We've got the little spring for the Dober gun, which I do remember because this is the Trace version, or the Tallgeese 2. The barrel is shorter, so you can actually pull the Trace pose off, because on Tallgeese 1, the barrel for the Dober gun is too long. So that's this bag. And it looks like we've only got 2 bags left to go. Here we have the pieces for the Tallgeese 2 face, such as the actual Gundam face. Here we have figures of Lady Un. Here's His Excellency Trace right there, and there's the sitting one. Why they couldn't have everybody facing the same way, I don't know. And here's a little bit of gray internals and some white armor for the thruster pods. Now, I don't know how many of you guys are actually fans of Gundam Wing. Wing got me started on this, and I know I'm kind of rambling as I go on to the last bag, which is just more external leg armor and internal frame, especially for the shield. There's the waist. But I found Trace to be one of the most unique characters in that series just because I could never figure the guy out. So that's a bit of a conversation point. So if you guys want to start commenting about it, please do. Now, unlike the Tallgeese 3, we just get a standard Tallgeese 1 manual with an add-on for the Tallgeese 2, just to show the slight differences in construction. So that takes care of that. And that's it for the unbox. And if you guys like the video, leave me a like, subscribe to me, leave me some comments. Like I said, I want to have a conversation with you guys about your feelings of trays and whatnot. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you guys at the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.